Wangatana, we continue to follow up on this developing story. And now, President William Ruto has called for bold reforms at the United Nations Security Council to tackle the rapidly evolving global challenges. The president said the current multilateralism system has proven inadequate in addressing crises such as climate change, inequality and debt, and continues to falter in providing any, let alone timely solutions. He pointed out that without immediate action, humanity will face an unprecedented global crisis. President Ruto was speaking Sunday during the Summit of the Future plenary at the United Nations General Assembly Hall in New York, United States. The president said there was a need to redesign the international financial system, strengthening partnerships for common security, bridging the digital divide, and investing in human capacity.
A negative impact on developing countries. These challenges include limited fiscal ability, rising debt, unfair credit rating frameworks, and an uneven interest rate regime. In the face of deteriorating global economic conditions worsened by relentless climate crisis, these weaknesses limit the opportunities, especially in low-income countries. Today, 1 in 3 developing countries is at risk of defaulting on their debt obligations. The role of unfair and unjust global financial system is compounding economic crisis and deepening inequalities. Development financing is not keeping pace with the economic realities and urgent needs of the developing world.
Lecturers and university staff under UASU and KUSU are holding a mega demonstration in Nairobi